Hello everyone, this is Mike Sangvi from feelamon.com and I'm back with another Cognos Report Studio video. And in this video, we are going to learn about repeater tables and repeaters. So this is a report in which we are using repeater table. And in this report, we are just displaying products or Go sales products. So how I created this report? For this, let me close this IBM Cognos viewer. This is Mike Sangvi and thanks for tuning in the demo. This video, and then I'm going to minimize this, and this is my Go Sales product report. So I'm going to click on new. Yes, let me save this, and then I want to create a new report or repeater table. So I'm going to click on OK. And the first thing I want to change my report header. So let's say it's Go Sales Products, and then OK. For our each product, we have our image, product number, product name, product type, and product description. For creating a layout for each product, I'm going to add a table first. So let me click on Toolbox. And I'm going to add a table, and I'm going to use table with 2 columns. In the left cell, we are going to display our product image. In the right cell, we are going to display product information. So let me quickly click on, and I want to import some data items. So first thing I want product image. So I'm going to select this, and then I'm going to add my product image in cell 1, and in cell 2 I'm going to import another table. So I'm going to add another table here, and for this I'm going to, let's say I want 2 columns and 4 rows, and here I'm going to add a text item. So let's say it's ID maybe, and then I'm going to say its name. Oh, I want to add a text item first. I'm going to add a name here, and then we are going to say its type, and finally we are going to add a description. Okay, and then we are going to 8 columns, respective column. So first thing I want product number. So let's say product number is your product ID. So I'm going to select this, and then I'm going to add here product number, and then I want a product. Then we need to add product type, and finally we need to add a description. So product description is just here. And let me run my report, and this is our report. The next thing I want all this in same width and height. For this, let me close the viewer, and then I'm to open my report, and then I'm going to first change the width and height for our image. So let's say I want image width and height, let's say size and overflow. I'm going to select 100 pixel and height 100 pixel, apply, OK. And I'm going to change, or I want to add a padding for first cell. So I'm going to select my cell 1, and then I'm going to add a padding. I want a padding of, let's say 5 pixel, apply, OK. And I also want to fix the width for this cell. So I'm going to select size and overflow. I want width to be 120 pixel, or let's say 130 pixel, apply. Now I want my image in center. So I'm going to select my cell 1, and then I want alignment to center. So this is the alignment for our image. Now I want all this product related information is going to be a top alignment. So I'm going to select the cell 2 and then I'm going to select top alignment, and I think everything is done. Or again, I want to fix the height for this entire table. So right now if I'm going to run my report, then based on the description size, my product or this cell size is going to be vary. So I don't want this behavior. So let me fix the height for table also. So let me close this first. And what I want to fix the height for my table. So I'm going to select this, and size and overflow I'm going to select height is 130 pixel, apply, and OK. So our repeater table is almost done. Now the next thing I want more items in my repeater table. For this I want to add more items on each page. For this I'm going to select my repeater table, and then I'm going to change the number of items across and down. So let's say I want 4 items in a row, and let's say 6 items in a column. Let's test this. And okay, so this is how our product is now looking. So I think I'm fine with this, and let me add a padding for all these items. So let me close this. I'm going to minimize this. I want to add a padding, so I'm going to select everything here, and then I want to add a left padding, let's say 5 pixels, apply, OK. And the next thing I want to add a border. So for this I'm going to select my entire table, and then I'm going to select border. I want border. Okay, so I think this is looking nice, and let me quickly add a padding for all these levels. So let me close this. Finally I'm going to select all these columns. Let me select this table, and then I'm going to add a padding, or let's say margin, 5 pixel margin in the left and 5 pixel margin in the right. Finally click on apply, OK, and let's test our report one more time. So now it's look good except this. So I'm not going to change padding for this, but if you want to change it, feel free to change. What is the difference between a repeater and repeater table? In case of repeaters, if you want to repeat items in a single row, then you can use repeater. Repeater tables are used to repeat items in a grid fashion. So in the left we have a repeater, and in the right we have a repeater table. In case of repeater table, you can simulate the behavior of repeater. But in case of repeater, you are not able to simulate the behavior of repeater table. Right now in our repeater table, we have 4 items in a row and 6 items in a column. If I want to simulate the behavior of repeater, for this I'm going to open my report, and then I'm going to change the number of items in a row, let's say 20, let's say 1, and number of items in a column, let's say 20. Run our report. This is our report, and now our repeater table looks alike as a repeater.
Some important URLs.